Yeah guys, I'm working on a project right here. As you can see, this is my screen. Okay, let me show you what I'm working on. Actually, I'm working, normally I use Arduino most of the time, so I bought myself a Raspberry Pi so that I can learn what's happening. I also want to get into ESP, but I will update you on that, or make a video on that. So I just bought myself a Raspberry Pi just to learn what's happening. So because I'm working on the project, I wrote an app for the mobile, so I want to control my appliances like lights, aircons, using a smartphone, but I'm using a cloud platform. Let me show you. Okay, this is my Raspberry Pi. There's a cover on it, an enclosure. This is my breadboard. As you can see, I have an LED. Normally when I teach myself something, I use LED for how to act, sending a signal to something. Then after that, I get into more advanced stuff. So as you can see, I'm busy with the code. I'm using Firebase online platform. I don't know, but it's for cloud. Then I have an app on my phone. I'll just show you. Do this. Okay, I don't know if you see it's loading. Okay, so as you can see, this is the app. Okay, so for example, when I press on, okay, this image doesn't want to see. So for example, when I press on, off, so let me do this. My phone is kind of dirty, so I need to clean it. Okay, so I see it's on, and it's on, off, on, and off. So yeah, I'll update you as soon as it's working, because I'm currently struggling with the code. Trying to interface this phone and the Raspberry Pi. Then after that, I'm going to use the light bulb. I have a relay right over here, so I'm going to use the same concept I use for the LED. I'm gonna send a signal to the relay, then the relay will switch on the bulb. Thank you guys for watching. I'll update you on the second video. Thanks.